Now, two-time Grammy-nominated reggae artist Julian Marley recently wrapped up his Straighter Road tour, which took place in the United States. The tour began in August and made stops in states such as Maryland, New York, New Jersey, Kentucky, Illinois, and Ohio before ending on September 20.
Where is your love to be found? Oh, someone at the house lights must be somewhere to be found. Yeah. Instead of a concrete jungle, what do you got for me now? Concrete jungle.
This marked the Harder Days singer's first time hitting the road since a small acoustic tour in February with the Wailers. The tour was named after his track A Straighter Road, which was released back in 2018. Julian Marley will embark on a tour of the United Kingdom in early 2022. The world premiere of the highly anticipated James Bond film No Time to Die is set to take place today at Royal Albert Hall in London. The movie will then be released to more than 700 screens across the United Kingdom on September 30 and will also be launched in Jamaica on October 8. In anticipation of the film's release, the Jamaica Tourist Board, JTB, has shared behind-the-scenes footage on their Visit Jamaica Instagram page, which was shared by the 007 official accounts.
Join No Time to Die, the official James Bond podcast, as we uncover the secrets behind the most eagerly anticipated Bond movie yet.
Jamaica is a prime location for the 25th installment of the film and is also the birthplace of 007, as Ian Fleming created and wrote the Bond films on the island. This installment will also see Daniel Craig, who returns for the fifth and final time as the suave British secret agent, Bond. James Bond. No Time to Die will be released in the United States and other territories October 8th. Now onto the international scene, where Toronto rapper Drake's Certified Lover Boy album has dominated the Billboard 200 album chart for the third consecutive week. The album opened at number 1 on the chart 2 weeks ago, with the year's biggest week for an album, selling over 613,000 units. Certified Lover Boy has the total most weeks atop the list for an R&B hip-hop effort in a year since Lil Baby's My Turn spent 5 non-consecutive weeks in 2020. The Billboard 200 chart ranks the most popular albums of the week in the United States based on multi-metric consumption as measured in equivalent album units. I'm Deidre reporting for E! Prime.